Alright guys, today's a nice day. The sun is down. We're working on a Mercedes. We're replacing our transmission mount, and it's pretty simple. It's gonna be what, 4 bolts that's holding this, and then the cross member. So we have to 16 to break it loose, all of them. The little impact if we need it. But if we go under here, show you guys. So it is gonna be right under here. That's where the bolts are. And then this cross member needs to come down for you to be able to pull the mount from the transmission. So you're gonna have to jack the transmission up just a little bit, just add some tension to it so it stays in place while you lower this cross member here, and you can fish it out with your hand and pull it out, put the new one in, bolt everything in, and that's it. So I'm gonna be placing you guys somewhat like here to see what I'm doing. So that's what we're doing with the Mercedes today. We still have the Audi and the Supra. The Buick, we're missing the whole front end, so just gotta order those stuff, and we'll be good to go there. And a Porsche Supra is gonna get some love, but today it's more of this car right here. My goal is to get to the brakes, get all of that, look into that, remove the tires, I think the rear ones as well. I kind of just want to do some maintenance on the car, new brake rotors, or brake pads and rotors, replace those, and get to the suspension next. Hopefully that's good, but that's what we're going to be doing, and then hopefully we'll move on to the engine and do some maintenance on the engine as well. Get this this car does run, so I'm just doing this, removing old parts that are on here, so kind of like a safety thing. But anyways, let's get to work.
They don't know who the fuck made it.
Alright guys, here it is. This is off. Cool. New one goes on. Here's our new one. Just like that. I have the new one on. Then goes this. Alright guys, so my phone had died, but we got the job done. It's pretty easy, so if anybody wants to do this, it's an easy job to replace that transmission mount. Next is our brakes and some engine stuff, so I guess we'll catch you guys on the next video.